Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, and you have made $100 while you were sleeping. No boss, no office, no stress. Sounds fake, right? But in 2026, this is becoming normal. And the crazy part, you can do this using just one tool, ChatGPT. Not coding, not investing, not even showing your face. In this video, I will show you 3 proven methods that beginners are using right now to make $100 per day with AI. Step by step, no confusion. Right now, we are in AI gold rush. People who understand AI are making money faster than ever before. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut are replacing hours of work in seconds. You don't need experience. You don't need perfect English. You just need a simple system. Let's start with the fastest method, freelancing. Step 1. Go to websites like Fiverr Upwork. Create a simple account. Step 2. Offer simple services like YouTube scripts, blog posts, product descriptions. But here the secret. You don't do the hard work. You use ChatGPT. Example, write a 10-minute YouTube scripts on make money online. In seconds, you get professional content. Earning breakdown, 1 client, $20, 5 client, $100 per day. And yes, people are already doing this. This is the method that can change your life. Step 1. Niche. Pick a niche. Make money online. AI tools. Motivations. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts. Step 3. Video create. Use CapCut, Canva to create videos. Step 4. Upload daily. Consistency is everything. Earning 1000 views, $5 to $20. 10,000 views, $50 to $200. One viral video can make you $100 per day. This is passive income. What to sell? ChatGPT prompts, resume templates, Instagram captions, platform Gumroad, Etsy. Earnings, one product, $10, 10 sale, $100 per day. And the best part, you create once and sell forever. Let me honest with you. This is not magic. You won't make $100 on day 1. But if you stay consistent for 30 days, you will start seeing results. Right now, you have 2 choices. Keep scrolling or start building your income today. You don't need money to start. You don't need a team. All you need is action. Subscribe for more videos on AI money making, and I will help you reach your first $100 per day.